Hello, my name is Terry McGeary and I'm an amateur watercolorist. I try to do paintings. People like to see unboxing of materials. They like to find out which materials are available and what they actually look like before they go and buy them. So I'm doing my very first unboxing. So here we are. What we're going to have a look at is the Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor set. This particular one has got Painting Plus. It's called Painting Plus 16 half pans and 3 tubes. So you can see the picture of it on the cover. What's it like inside? Well, let's have a little look and see. Okay. Always exciting getting something new. The reason I'm looking at this one, and the reason I bought this one, in fact, is because I lost temporarily my little watercolor kit. So there we are. So it's a nice box. This feels quite sturdy to begin with. Plastic hinge, plastic box, and it's got, yeah, all the 16 half pans of colouring and 3 tubes. And the tubes, ultramarine, ivory black and Chinese white. 8 milliliter tubes of each. That's okay. And we got a little brush with it. Put that down a second. Yeah, still hard with the gum or something they use on it just now. So yeah, we've got a reasonable brush. It's a Cotman number 3. Okay. Put that in carefully. Okay, so that sits in there. What else does it have? Which colours does it have? Okay, let's have a look at one of them. If I can get it out. Little pan. Okay, so the pans provided in here are little plastic ones. Let's undo one. This one here is lemon yellow hue, we're calling it. Yeah, lemon yellow hue. Let's have a look at it. I won't unwrap them all, obviously. I'm just going to check how it looks. Okay, so it's a little plastic pan, half pan. Okay, there it is. So, little half pan, lemon yellow. These are all Chinese in origin. So it fits into there. If I take another one out, what else have we got? We got alizarin crimson hue. That's another one. If I take the whole cradle out, it looks like they're in 4 in a cradle, so you'll be able to take them out, all out, and wash out your box under running water now and again if you need to. What else do we have in here? We've got, let's see, cadmium yellow, we've got cobalt blue. The other ones we have here are, turn it round a bit so I can read them. We have burnt sienna, viridian hue, sap green, it's always useful, Indian red, we've got burnt umber, yellow ochre, cerulean blue hue, cadmium orange hue, cadmium red pale hue, intense green phthalo green, raw umber, and Payne's grey. I love Payne's grey for blacks and things. Payne's grey. So that's good. What else does it do? Right, I put these pans back in again. Just click in nicely. like so. So all of these will come out. Clicks back in. When the lid comes down on it, I notice there's some little like structures here to stop the lid coming down hard on the paints, so it's not going to foul the paint when the lid comes down, and it gives it a little bit of breathing space, I suppose, for the paint to dry again after you've used it. The tubes, yeah, that bit stays in place, it doesn't come out, but that will be useful. And a place here for, I suppose, extra tubes. Yeah, you could put some extra tubes in there of the kind you like or you use a lot. If you're into landscapes and forests, you may want to have a little bit more sap green in a tube handy. You can stick them in there. So that's good, I like that. Tubes are always more economical to buy than buying dried paints. So that'll be nice. What else do we have? In the lid here, as a mixing tray to come out, so there we go, we can take some bits of paint, we can mix in there to make bigger volumes, that's handy. And again there's another cunning little inner bit here. I don't know if this comes out easily without breaking it. Oh, it does. Well, there we go, so we can take all of these things out and give them a good wash, no trouble. And this here will just be left clean all the time. There's no need to use that. That's good. So I'll put that back in again. Put that back in again. And that back in again. And basically that's it. That is the kit. I look forward to using this. With that instruction set. There's a little instruction book here which is very good. Quite handy. It will give you details of the whole range of the makers, Winsor and Newton's paints. We don't have them all in this obviously, but it does give you the code for each of them, and it will tell you, for example, that certain ones are coded AA, extremely permanent, or A permanent, and so on. Permanent but bleached by light, bleached by acids, acidic atmospheres. Other ones will be coded as permanent for artist use, and so on. So yeah, that's a useful thing, so I won't lose that. I may refer to that now and again, and with luck it will fit inside here as well. So there you go, a good box, good little mixture. I like the style of it, it's quite secure. And it's not too big. That's my hand. I haven't got very big hands. And that's it. So I'll use them for painting more things like that one. I was on a cruise ship this year, and I spent part of the time taking photographs around the ship and looking at the funnel at the back. It looked quite good as a subject. So I took a photograph on my phone and then converted it into this with my old watercolour kit. So there you go. So that's it. Winsor Newton cotton watercolours, 16 half pans, 3 tubes, and it cost something like £20. So I suppose not far from, $20 if you're in the States. Okay, I hope you liked watching a little bit of unboxing. That was an interesting thing to do. If you liked what you're seeing, yeah, leave a comment, tick a like, and subscribe if you want. I have another channel apart from this one, so I'll leave links to the other channel in case you're interested. Okay, thank you very much for watching.